Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my client Pavel and Catherine's first Section 8 rental, guys. Catherine and Pavel bought this house for $30,000. It was a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. What we did here was we turned this thing into a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. Total rehab here was a little bit over $51,000, a little bit, I believe $51,300, and it turned out amazing. Let's walk through it and I'll show you a little bit about what we did, why we did what we did, and why we do what we do. So when it comes to a project like this, so Catherine and Pavel bought this in cash, and the whole goal of this is to do a cash out refinance. Now, the cash out refinance piece of this is, the goal is to be into the house for what they are, a little over $80,000, have it appraised for significantly more, pull their equity out and move that into another project. So that is definitely what we have here. Now keep in mind, we're about 96% done, if I had to put a number on it, and we're just waiting on the last HVAC inspection to be passed, as well as the plumbing inspection, okay? Once the plumbing inspection has been passed, we can set the toilets, put the faucets on for the sinks, and we're literally done. So guys, all new LVP throughout this entire thing. This had a full electrical rewire. So everything in here, every bit of wiring is brand new. That's why all of these brand new smoke detectors are all wired in, which is new code. So everything in here is brand new, fully rewired, all new LVP, brand new roofs, metal custom roof on the house, brand new HVAC system, ton of new plumbing, everything. So off of this main living room, guys, we have our bedroom. So bedroom number 1, really nice area, really, really quiet, very, very great for tenants. We will get a lot of applicants for this unit. So we have bathroom number 1, which is a Jack and Jill style here. Again, we can't set the toilets until we get the final sign off for plumbing. So waiting on that, as well as to have this place deep cleaned. So Jack and Jill, we have another bedroom right there. We'll get to that in a second. But first, we go back into the living room, and you guys understand how usually when we have a den like this after a living room, what we do is we turn one into a bedroom. Well, this den was gigantic, so we actually did that, and we still have a secondary living room here. So we built this wall. This is a brand new wall, built this entire thing, and now we have bedroom number 2, okay? So bedroom number 2, a little bit small, but still good size. Built a closet right here as well, and have this thing set up to be a rental that's going to generate probably between $1,300 and $1,400 a month. So really nice. Now bedroom number 3, this is the one that shared that Jack and Jill style with this with the bedroom that we just came from. So here's that bathroom that we just looked at. Okay, in between, right? Yeah. And this is bedroom number 3. So moving through bedroom number 3, we're gonna get to bedroom number 4, which is in the corner of the house. Really nice, really good size, a lot of natural light, and is definitely going to be a place that when we have tenants that move in, they're going to love to be here. It's a good size house, it's a 4-bedroom. It's got more than 1 bathroom, so you're not gonna have a bigger family and everyone kind of squeezing into one restroom when they need to be in there. So what we wanted to do was we want to kind of space the bathrooms out a little bit. So what we did was we have our kitchen right here. We have our new vent hood, appliances coming. This is our new toilet. We have all new electrical here for the washer dryer. We have brand new washer hookups right here, as well as all new plumbing in there. And here is our brand new bathroom. So this was an old storage room. We turned it. So again, toilet will go right here, vanity right there. You can't install the water lines to the fixtures until you've been signed off on. Same thing here in the tub. So we can't run the water lines through and hook them up yet until it's signed off on, which should be any day now. So in really good shape here, and now we have a full bath off of the kitchen, which is fantastic and adds value. And at the end of the day, guys, that's what we're trying to do. Add value to these things, generate a lot of income, get that guaranteed money every single month from the government, and have people stay in here for a long period of time. but also provide them with a really nice unit that they can take pride in and care about. So fired up, guys. Really happy for Pavel and Catherine, and this is just the beginning for them. We're gonna be able to keep this thing going and continue to build the portfolio. And if you guys want to do that, send me an email. My information's in the description below. We'll get you started. We'll see you next time.